Owning a car is one of life's biggest conveniences, but it comes with responsibilities that many new drivers overlook. Beyond fueling up and filling the tank, a car requires regular maintenance to stay safe, reliable, and efficient. For beginners, this can feel intimidating. Engines, fluids, brakes, tires, and electrical systems may seem complicated, and professional mechanics can be expensive. The good news is that you don't need to spend hours in a garage or have advanced mechanical knowledge to keep your vehicle in top shape. With just 15 minutes a week, you can perform simple, essential maintenance tasks that protect your car, prevent costly repairs, and build your confidence as an owner. Small actions like checking the air filter, inspecting wipers, monitoring tire pressure, topping up fluids, testing lights, cleaning battery terminals, and doing a quick exterior and interior inspection can make a huge difference in your car's performance and longevity. This video breaks down these 7 beginner-friendly tasks into clear, actionable steps that anyone can do. By dedicating just a short time regularly, you'll avoid surprises on the road, save money, and ensure that your car remains a safe and reliable part of your daily life. Let's watch. 1. Check and replace the air filter. The air filter is a small component with a big impact on your car's performance. It prevents dirt, dust, and debris from entering the engine, helping it run efficiently and prolonging engine life. Over time, air filters become clogged, reducing airflow and fuel efficiency. Checking your air filter is simple. Open the hood, locate the filter housing, usually a rectangular box near the engine, and remove the filter. Inspect it for dirt, debris, or discoloration. If it looks dark or clogged, replace it with a new filter. Replacement is often tool-free and takes just a few minutes. A clean air filter improves fuel efficiency, engine performance, and even cabin air quality. Making it a regular part of your 15-minute maintenance routine ensures your car breathes clean air and avoids unnecessary engine strain. It's a simple confidence booster for any beginner car owner. 2. Inspect and replace wiper blades. Wipers are essential for safe driving in rain, snow, or fog. Worn or damaged blades can compromise visibility, increasing the risk of accidents. Thankfully, checking and replacing wipers takes just a few minutes. Lift the wiper arms and examine the rubber edge for cracks, fraying, or stiffness. If water streaks, skips, or leaves marks on your windshield, it's time for a replacement. Modern wiper blades snap on and off easily, often requiring no tools. Simply remove the old blade and attach a new one following the included instructions. Routine wiper maintenance ensures clear visibility in all weather conditions, making your drive safer and less stressful. For beginners, this is an easy step that improves both safety and confidence without requiring mechanical knowledge. 3. Check tire pressure and tread. Proper tire maintenance is crucial for safety, fuel efficiency, and longevity. Underinflated tires reduce fuel economy, affect handling, and increase the risk of blowouts. Overinflated tires can wear unevenly and reduce traction. Checking tire pressure is quick with a simple gauge. If the top of his head is visible, it's time to replace the tire. Look for uneven wear, cracks, or bulges, which may indicate alignment or suspension issues. Regular tire checks are a safety essential and a beginner-friendly maintenance task that only takes a few minutes. 4. Check and top up basic fluids. Your car relies on several fluids for safe, smooth operation. Checking them is quick and informative, letting you spot issues early. Focus on engine oil, coolant, brake fluid, windshield washer fluid, and transmission fluid. Engine oil. Check the dipstick for level and color. Dark or gritty oil may indicate it's time for a change. Coolant. Inspect the reservoir for level and clarity. Low coolant can lead to overheating. Brake fluid. Ensure it's within the recommended range. Windshield washer. Keep it topped up for clear visibility. Transmission fluid. For automatic vehicles, check the dipstick while the car is warm and running if the manufacturer recommends. Keeping fluids at proper levels prevents engine damage, overheating, and braking issues. It's an essential 15-minute habit that builds confidence and reduces the chance of emergency repairs. 5. Inspect lights and signals. Functional lights are essential for both legal compliance and safety on the road. Headlights, taillights, brake lights, turn signals, warning hazard lights ensure that you can see clearly and that other drivers can see you, especially in low light or adverse weather conditions. A quick check can prevent accidents, improve safety, and avoid costly traffic fines. To inspect your lights, turn them on and walk around the car to ensure each one illuminates properly. If possible, ask a friend to help or use a reflective surface to verify visibility from different angles. Replace any burnt-out bulbs immediately. Also, examine the light housings for cracks, moisture, or debris, as these can damage the bulbs or wiring over time. This simple maintenance task takes just a few minutes, but it has a significant impact on safety. Regularly checking and maintaining your car's lights builds confidence and ensures you remain visible, protected, and road-ready. 6. Clean and inspect the battery terminals. The car battery is essential, powering both the engine start and all electronic systems in your vehicle. Corroded or loose terminals can prevent the car from starting, cause electrical malfunctions, or leave you stranded unexpectedly. Fortunately, inspecting and maintaining the battery takes just a few minutes. Start by visually checking the terminals for white, green, or bluish deposits, which indicate corrosion. If you spot buildup, disconnect the battery carefully and clean the terminals using a soft brush and a mixture of baking soda and water. After cleaning, ensure all connections are tight, secure, and free from debris. Performing regular battery checks prevents sudden failures, extends battery life, and ensures reliable operation of your car's electrical systems. For beginners, and this is a simple, low-effort maintenance task that builds confidence. 7. Quick exterior and interior inspection. A final 15-minute maintenance habit that every car owner should adopt is a quick visual inspection of both the exterior and interior. Walk around the car to check for scratches, dents, or rust on the body, and examine the windshield for chips or cracks. Inspect mirrors and tire sidewalls for any signs of bulges, cracks, or uneven wear, which could indicate potential safety issues. Inside the vehicle, take a moment to ensure that all dashboard warning lights function properly, and that seat belts, airbags, and other essential safety features are in good working order. While this routine doesn't replace professional inspections, it allows you to catch minor problems before they become major, costly repairs. Early detection not only saves money, but also helps maintain the car's safety and reliability. For beginners, this simple step builds confidence, reinforces responsible car ownership, and ensures that your vehicle remains dependable and ready for everyday driving. Let us know in the comments what you think about this, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more captivating content on our YouTube channel.